Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and what is about this shelf that I like so much? So, there are a few reasons why. Number one, the assemble process. I'm gonna show everything to you in a close up in a few seconds. But the assemble process of this one with kind of like a technique of just clipping some holders over there and just lighting the shelves. It took me, I think, I'm not gonna exaggerate, I think 15 minutes or less than 15 minutes. Also, I do like that comes with wheels, and this is just not, they're not wheels, these are big wheels, so you can, in case that you have a store or you're putting this one in your garage or your warehouse or something like that, you can slide this bad boy over there. And talking about bad boy, this is 48 inches wide by 18 inches deep and 72 inches high. So what I'm gonna do with this one is I use it for my products, for my unboxings, for all my boxes, for all the products that I want to put. And down here, because as you can see, this is not the same height, so you can rearrange the height how many times you want, and depending on the size you want in between the shelves. This one right here has some like a different height, this one different height, and this ones right here are for small boxes. So let me actually show it to you in a close-up. I do like that it's super firm. Each one of the shelves holds 100 pounds, so total of 600 pounds on this entire shelf over here. I also like the clips, as I was just telling you before. I can just pop out this one up by hitting a little bit and then just moving these clips over there, kind of like lower if I want or higher if I want as well. Also, the pads right here on the bottom of the legs, you can screw them a little bit or unscrew them as well in case that you have an uneven floor. But remember, you have this big boys over here. Take a look at how big these ones are. These are big wheels, so these are gonna be super nice for you to kind of like move it around. If you wanna kind of like I don't know, attach it to the wall, for example, you can do it with this one as well. This is a big unit, and you can see how different these are from the top one, like the distance in between for the small boxes or whatever smaller things you may have. So pretty good unit over here, holds a total of 600 pounds, 48 by 18 by 72, strong and firm shelves, big wheels in case you want to move it, and of course making this easy in like 15 minutes, and adjusting the height however you want makes it even better. I like this one. I think it is fantastic. I'm gonna give it a huge thumbs up. Thanks for watching and see you soon.